How we doing, Groundbreakers? Mandy and Gabe here. Got the select pick your team finally full. Thank you guys for getting those last couple minis filled up so we could run them. And we'll go down the team list. We got Jeff with Arizona, Joey with Atlanta, Chris with Baltimore, Eric with Buffalo, Sean with Carolina, Patrick with Chicago, Robert with Cincinnati, Brent with Cleveland, Mike with Dallas, Patrick with Detroit, Matthew Duke with Denver, Josh with Green Bay, Joey with Houston and Indy, Mike Morse with Jacksonville, Josh with Kansas City, Eric with the Chargers, Todd Corliss with the Rams, Mike Morse with Minnesota, Robert with Miami, Jonathan Lynch with New England, Patrick Steele with New Orleans, Mike Reynolds with the Giants, Mike Freeman with the Jets, Pat with Oakland, Chris with Philly and Pittsburgh, Joey with San Fran and Seattle, Eric with Tampa Bay and Tennessee, and Jeff with Washington. We've seen some crazy streaks in the Fatals this weekend, between Sean Hayward's day the other day, and then Jeff yesterday winning a bunch in a row and then losing 2 in a row, and then winning a couple this morning and losing 2 in a row again. They definitely are crazy. If anybody wants to try to pick the top auto, we'll give you $5 off the Spectra or in case break. Your choice. How's that? I'm going to guess Drew Lock this time. I'm going for it. I don't want to disappoint Matt Duke and not pull one, but I'm feeling a Drew Lock tonight. As Robert pointed out, this is our 4th or 5th box of Select, and we haven't hit an XRC yet, so we are due for one of those too. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. Robert's going XRC. And we're gonna we get that third heat check filled up before mail day Wednesday, and we're gonna have a fun stack of the week voting this week. It's gonna be a tough choice, especially if we end up with some Spectra and encased in there as well. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to go ahead and order a box of that Bowman First Edition. We'll see how it goes. I've never opened a box of Spectra before, so me and Mandy did jump in and grab a spot in the random teams with you guys.
I'm going to hop in and out. I'm going to go Haskins this time.
A Haskins?
Yep.
And we haven't actually done a break with you guys for quite a while. It's been a while since we've had to jump in one to fill a spot.
Not a bad thing.
And we haven't, I was just saying the other day, we haven't had to use eBay in, I don't know, a month or two. I said, man, is that Spectra break going to be the first one we've had to use eBay in a really long time?
So Robert said XRC time. Eric Finch said Singletary. Benny said Hollywood Brown. Jeff Gillen said, what's good, my dude?
What's good, buddy?
Mike Morris said Minshew time.
Minshew time? I'm liking those Jaguars. He does have some luck. All right, good luck, everybody. Wow. Oh, thank you. I dragged Mason with me to do leaf blowings today. A little DK. We haven't had one of him in a while either. I dragged Mason with me to do leaf blowings today, and the poor kiddo lost one of his earbuds. One of the expensive ones he got for Christmas. All right. Devin White. Murphy Bunting. Oh, cool. You got a silver Edelman. And is Prism just going through the roof or what? I saw a Drew Lock base go for $40 today. Julian Edelman silver for the Pats. And I want to say that was Mike Reynolds this time. Pat Tillman, Arizona. Oh yeah, that's right. That's why we need a list. I was like, oh yeah, we don't need one.
I can look it up.
I did start one too.
Was this one that needed sauces?
Yes.
This one.
Yep. And probably the Tillman too, if you don't mind. Nope, not that one.
Oh.
Ed Oliver, Trubisky, Jacoby Brissett, silver for Indy, and we got a nice low number here coming up. I don't know if it's an auto or what it is, but it's sweet looking. I can just tell already. Oh man, I love Select. Going to Green Bay. Did he get him this time? Was it Haslam? He did too. He finally gets a big Green Bay hit. Yes, check that guy out. Number 210 snapshots, I believe. Yes, it is. 4 of 10. Bang. There you go, Josh. You got to jump in that heat check now and win $10 back out of it for stack of the week. He was talking about it the other day, but I know he's been in and out of service this week.
Robert said Locke is on the rise after Elway snatched him back-to-back receivers.
Yeah. He's got the core of the weapons now.
He said nice.
Josh Allen, Aaron Donald. Oh boy, you gotta be kidding me. We're having a break already. Oh, holy shnikes. Who's got Arizona? Are you kidding me? Wow. It's been a while since we've got one like that.
Gillen.
Jeff Gillen, dude. Are you serious? Have a week. I guess we'll pair this with your friggin' Daniel Jones out of 15. Wow. I guess we might know who won stack of the week. We have hit some monster Kylers. Holy smokes. Damn, dude.
Yeah.
With the
He doesn't
Rodgers.
even ask me, just takes it to case it.
With the Rodgers already, I would have never saw that coming. Holy shit. Select is badass. Sorry, Pete. Excuse my language.
Bentley Mead
Wow.
just said game over.
Damn, dude. Yeah, so much for the stack of the week. Jeff's like, what's that you play? What's that game called? I win. Holy
Robert
smokes,
just
man.
said Jeff Gillen stack of the week on to next week.
Yikes, dude.
Right? He just said Mandy Jinx is over.
We we have had some serious fire in the football these last couple weeks, man. It's like we don't go more than one box in a row without catching back on fire.
Robert said I can't even get a Kyler base.
I know. I'm telling you, we've only opened a box or two here and there over the last couple months, but we definitely don't pick the right ones that are on the counter. That's for sure. We take care of the garbage. We get the Whit Merrifield for you guys.
That is pretty.
Tillery, we've got a Taylor Rapp silver, and we've got a green die cut as well. I believe those are the 49. Have a box. Jimmy Moreland for Washington. I want to say that was Jeff as well. 49.
Yep.
DK Premier level. Damn. That is gross. And the Rodgers are 10 in the same box. Hey, there's a Singletary silver at least. Eric. We got a DeAndre. Phenomenon.
Robert just said if there's an XRC in this box as well, it's insane.
Yeah, I think if we get anything else decent, I'm gonna be excited with it. Josh Allen silver. Oh, nice. Little Zeke Elliott sensation silver. I think Jacksonville was Mike. I can't remember who had Dallas this time around.
Mike Reporter.
He did, okay.
Mm-hmm. And Mike Morris with Jacksonville.
Holy Daniel Jones and Murray for the mail day. Yeah, I'd be looking at the mailbox waiting for that one to come. If it was me anyway. Singletary for the Bears, silver, and we got a red, white, and blue. Hopkins for Houston. That's a cool one. I like that. Number to 99. Somebody won Houston in the mini there at the end. It was Mike McWhorter, wasn't it? Oh, we got another
Joey
Kyler.
Davis.
Or Joey did. Kyler Premier level. I can't remember which mini is which now. There's so many of them.
You're telling me, man.
It's Mandy's favorite way to celebrate, so. Montgomery, Henderson. Oh, we got a nice Thielen silver. Oh, Nick Bosa, rookie selection silver. James Conner.
I don't know why I stinking start that thing before we break.
Debo Samuel, rookie selections. Mason Rudolph. Quinnen Williams. O'Reilly Ridley. Oh, nice. Pretty darn cool one for a second one. It's not a rookie or a low numbered, but I like it. This kid's nasty. Chris Godwin, blue for Tampa Bay. That's sweet right there. 54 out of 75.
Eric Finch with that one.
There you go, Eric. Decent little box.
Did you notice this one was numbered?
Yep.
Okay.
Slayton, Justice Hill. Oh, nice. McCaffrey, silver. I was going to say select. And we've got a Noah Fant. First round pick 20 for Denver. 24 out of 49. One Prism. That's actually solid for what we've got so far to even get a decent patch like that. I like that Godwin. That's actually a pretty cool card. Whiteside, Debo.
I like the shape that Select is in. I feel like it's just like the
Michael Vick.
corners and everything look decent.
Silver, field level. Oh, nice. Zeke red to 99 for the Cowboys. Jerry Rice. Alright, last pick.
Dallas is McWhorter.
Chase Winovich, silver. Darius Slayton to 99 for the Giants. And Deshaun Taylor. Boy, was that guy an animal.
Sorry, you were faster than me. Almost
alright.
there.
So I think we got what, 10 teams or so left for in case, and then we got a ways to go on the Spectra, but we'll start doing minis for those, maybe a fatal or two, and then we're almost halfway on the heat check. So if we can get all that stuff filled up before Wednesday, we'll get it out Wednesday. Somebody's got some catching up to do now to catch Jeff for the stack of the week, but it can be done. Michael Vick silver, McCaffrey silver, Winovich, Bosa, Thielen, Taylor Rapp, Kyler Murray rookie, Montgomery, Singletary, Zeke, Brissett, Josh Allen, Pat Tillman, Edelman. We got a Slayton red, Zeke red, Noah Fant draft selections, Godwin, blue to 75, Hopkins to 99, Jimmy Moreland to 49. Aaron Rodgers to 10 snapshots, and the Kyler Murray die cut gold 2 out of 10. Sweet hits, guys. Yeah, those are just gross in the same box.
Poor Mike Freeman just commented, clearly I took Zona in the wrong break.
Oh no, I hate it when that happens too. What, did you grab him in encased?
I'm not sure.
Oh, that sucks. I hate it when that happens. Well, thank you guys for the fill. We will see you as soon as one of those next breaks fills up. Have a good night.